Okay, so I'm perusing Twitter. The topic of G. Gordon Liddy comes up. I used to listen to him many years ago, fairly regularly, for about a year or so. So I checked out his Twitter page. First tweet that I see on his page is an interesting one. I buried a body under that exact spot in the Rose Garden circa May 1972. Guess which body? Now, just a quick search of the internet led to two prominent figures dying in May of 72. King Edward, well, probably not him. And the other one was J. Edgar Hoover, who died of a heart attack in his home. Now, we know G. Gordon Liddy was not really somebody to be trifled with. We also know that Nixon, it's been revealed through tapes, was afraid of the damage that Hoover could do. Now, it makes logical sense that Nixon could have had him taken out so that Hoover couldn't take down the, how did Nixon phrase it? Basically, he said, take down the whole group together. So if he goes down, you go down. So it would make sense that they would have him offed, or whatever their lingo is. Now, there's a man named James Starr who had been trying to get autopsy results and had suggested that Hoover's death was caused due to break-ins and poisons being laced onto his toiletries, so toilet bowl or toilet seat and toilet paper, etc. Now, we're not sure if that toilet paper if that poison will actually cause a heart attack or something of the sort. But for all we know, it wasn't actually a heart attack. It could have been anything. Now, I find this interesting for a couple of reasons. One, Gordon Liddy is legendary. Two, it's plausible. And three, and finally, he could be trolling completely. Gordon Liddy, I would not put it past him to just make something up like this out of the blue, just to poke fun. Now, there's no way to know unless he admits it, unless he comes out and, actually goes on the record. Now, I'm not suggesting that G. Gordon Liddy actually killed anybody. Let's make that clear. I'm suggesting that it's possible. It would seem right up his alley. From some of the suggestions that I've heard him say, and say that were proposed to the president about certain other people who were causing problems, this sounds right up that alley. But like I said, this could be an epic troll on Liddy's part. Well, that remains to be seen. I don't know if anything will ever come of this. I just think it's funny to think about. Well, kind of funny and kind of scary too. But I'm sure you understand that.